channel. Today I am going to be doing a review on this amazing blow dryer by QT Performance Hairstyling, and this is their blow dryer that they have, and actually the company flatironexperts.com sent this to me for me to try out. So I am going to show you guys how I use this tool right here, and then also kind of talk about my thoughts and feelings about it throughout the video. I really am loving the results from this blow dryer. Off the top, it's really a great product. I'm so glad I got to try it and test it out, so I can definitely share my positive and amazing experience with it. So if you guys want to see how I use this tool and how it worked for me, stay tuned for this video. Bye.
Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I shampooed with the Care cleansing shampoo that's sulfate free, and then I used just a regular conditioner, I think Aussie Moist, to condition my hair. Going in with my heat protectant, which is a blow dry cream that I love, and I talked about this product in my November favorites, so if you want to hear more about what I'm using right now, go check that video out. I'm going to distribute all of that throughout my hair, making sure that it's really saturated in the product. It's really hard to overdo with this cream. It's not heavy at all, so I like to put enough in there to where I feel like my hair is completely covered in the product. After I do this, I go ahead and section my hair off, and you can do as many sections as you want. It's just whatever's easiest. I then go ahead and start blow drying. First off, I'm going to do this part in regular time, not speed it up at all, so you can really see how quickly my hair gets really nice and straight with just using this tool. I mean, it's crazy how quickly I can get my hair straight and smooth using this blow dryer. And I think the really big part of that is the fact that the air pressure in this blow dryer is really intense. I mean, it is really packed in there as far as getting the air to really blow out, more than I've ever seen like my Revlon blow dryers do. And I'm guessing, you know, it's a better quality blow dryer, so of course it's going to have better air pressure. And then also I love that they have adjustable temperatures on here, so you can make the air pressure different. So if you don't want it to blow as much, you can adjust that, as well as adjusting the temperature. So you can do high, medium, and then cool air too. Now I'm going to go ahead and speed it up so you guys aren't sitting here forever watching me blow dry my hair. results using the QT Performance Blow Dryer. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned. I really love this tool that I used today, and I hope you guys check it out. It's awesome if you're looking for a blow dryer. But until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.